My name is David Hurwich. I'm an interaction designer and I'm an instructor in the digital media department here at Chabot College. One question, have you ever thought about learning about digital interaction design? Digital interaction design is kind of a blanket term, but it involves understanding of things like web development, app development, how design integrates with that. Also the growing world of user experience / UX. Okay, well, in the fall 2021 here at Chabot College, I am going to be teaching DIGM15 web design fundamentals, Tuesdays and Thursdays, 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. This course is geared towards designers who want to kind of dip their toe a little bit into the world of interaction design and learning a little bit about the coding aspect that can go into some of these digital projects. This course is really meant for beginners. We are going to delve into the world of web design. We're going to learn about HTML5. We're going to learn about CSS3. There's absolutely no coding experience required. We pretty much start 100% from scratch. So even if you've never touched a programmer, code editor in your life, that's okay. Most of my students don't, and we still come through it all. Besides learning about specifically HTML, CSS, we're also going to get into user experience, UX. We'll be talking about how to prototype for apps, mobile apps, tablet apps and such. We're going to discuss theories of interaction, psychology of choice, information architecture, layout. And we're going to learn one of the world's most popular and free, that being the key word, UX tools, which is Figma. All right. You want to see a little bit more about what we've done in this course right here. Okay, that's a little, put in that bit.ly link into your browser, and you can go right to a website that kind of shows some of my previous students' work. If you have any questions for me before the fall, feel free to email me right there. Okay. My email is dhurwich@chabotcollege.edu. Or just type it in right there. Okay. So I look forward to seeing you all in the fall, and come hack the web with me.